to post a picture at Instagram. Click on Instagram. Click on the plus at the bottom. Click the photo that you want to post. So we'll do a practice one. Merry Christmas, that's a good one. Click next. Decide if you want to filter by sliding over to the end. Pick the final one just as an example. It's a lot. Just click on any of them. And if that looks good to you,
I like that.
Awesome. Click next. And then if you want to say Merry Christmas, you can say Merry Christmas or by clapping, write a caption.
Okay, I know how to do that.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't care. And then you can speak into it by clicking that.
Merry Christmas!
Exclamation point. And then tap it again to end. See, we didn't end it.
No.
So the way you do that, just click the back.
Yeah.
And that takes it back.
Yeah, I do that all the time.
Okay. Back. And then we're not going to share it because you don't want to share it.
We already.
And then
have
all you
that
do
one.
is you push share. And that actually I'm going to share it and then I'll show you how to delete it. And there it is. It's finishing up. And now to delete it, you simply go here. And you can edit, you can share it, archive it, but really you want to delete it. Confirm deletion, delete. That way if you ever make a mistake, you know what to do. Scrolling down, shows you all the other people and what they're doing. You can push heart to like someone else's photo. And then the other thing you can do is click on your own profile by clicking down here. Yeah, and then this shows all the things that you have. This shows how many posts, how many followers, and who's following you. And when you click on who's following you, you can scroll down and you can click and see what their photos. Let's see what Janine has. She hasn't given you permission to follow her yet. Let's just go back to followers. Okay, so let's click on Charlene. Look at all her cute little photos, and you can go in and you can like hers if you want. Okay, excellent. Do it again. There, you've liked it. And then you can also just double click on something to like it as well. And then down here you can see that little red dot underneath. That means someone has liked something. So click on that.
It's exciting to see.
Yes. So these are all the people who have liked your photos. I have liked, so these are all the
And it's the photos that they liked is what's already.
Yes.
Cool.
So you can see all those people have liked your photos. And now we have follow requests here. So JD Pixies want to follow you. Confirm that. Because that's Jennifer. Bob Whitmer, confirm. And then you can decide whether or not you want that. If you ever want to go back to the home screen, all you have to do is click on home. Can you click on that? And then that takes you back and you can scroll down and see all these. And some people have several. If you see 1 out of 4, you can scroll this way. They've posted 4 photos.
Mm-hmm.
You know, some people do that. And this is mine. This is the top.
So
right?
if I want to.
So if you want to like mine, click. You double tap. Double tap.
Sure.
Da, da. Do it again. There you go. You liked it. Or you can just click down there.